Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to what hopefully will be lesson 1 in a series on how to help you with your songwriting techniques. And today what we will look at is chords. Specifically, we will look at extended chords. All the chords that you'll need for this lesson I'll put in a link in the description, so you can go there and quickly learn them. There's not too many, so it won't take you too long. With extended chords, we take basic chords and then we are adding extra notes to them to give them some extra tonality, and you can really spice up your chord progressions and give them something that stands out from a basic chord progression that you'd hear. So the reason I'm starting with chords is it's something we can use as a foundation to write a song or parts of a song from, and then what we can do after that is take these chords or these ideas that we have, and then we can start to add or subtract and chop parts up, and we can really start to mess around with it, and then hopefully get that characteristic sound that we hear from math rock or post rock or any kind of technical rock. So today I have two examples. Example 1 is an ending to a song that I wrote for my band, and example 2 is something I based off a band called Tangled. So let's get started with example 1. So if you see your chord sheet, the first chord we have is a C major 9 going to a G major 9 into a B minor 7, D minor 9, A minor 11. So the piece sounds like this. I'll put a link below and you can hear a recording of it so you can get an idea as well how it sounds with a full band. So that's one time around. I'll now play it with the basic chords so you can get an idea of how it sounds different. So there you can hear it gives it like a warmer tone and something that's much more pleasing to listen to. And after you've got this progression, then you can start to think of how can you connect these chords to make them flow nicely in other parts of the songs. So I'll quickly play a few examples. That's one, so you can add some little tapping parts in there and a little arpeggio there as well. So this is something I hope to cover in later lessons, so how we can add little parts between the chords to really give the song some extra juice and other parts to the song. But for now, just concentrate on getting a nice chord progression. So that's it for example 1. Example 2 is by a band called, I took an idea from a band called Tangled. The song name is Yeah, It Does Look Like a Spider. Fantastic song name. With this song, I really like the way Alan, the guitarist, he played chords and then he put like little phrases and nuances in between the chords, and some like natural harmonics or some odd timing rhythms, and it really gives the song some kick. And so let's just look at the chords anyway. So first one is a G major 9, and then we have a B minor 11 going into a D major 7, and then a E minor 9, B minor 7, C major 7. Okay, so it can go something like this. So I hope you can hear the tonality, what I'm getting at with that song. Those chords seem to fit nicely within that song, and something that Alan uses quite a lot is extended chords. So, and then again you can take that idea and add parts into it. Something that I made, it goes like this. Yeah. So there you have it. I hope that these ideas with extended chords are getting you thinking about how you can add them and utilize them in your songwriting techniques. And so hopefully this will be the first video in a series, meaning I hope you can help me with some ideas in the comments of what you would like to learn next, and any feedback or just general comments. And so I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.